This is the F sharp 7 chord, F sharp dominant chord, having F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and the E in root position, in first inversion. In the second inversion, this one, the third inversion, that's it. Those are the ways you can play it, and it's a chord that can be used in various keys. In the key of B, it is also nice to be because it is the dominant chord, the 5 of the B major key. As well, you can use it in the key of F sharp. I can play the F as a passing to the 4. As well, in the key of D, I can use it as a passing to the G major chord. And as well, in the key of E, I can use it as a 2/5 passing to the B again, because it's so well resolved to the B, which is a 4th above it. So E as my 1, I can use it as a 2/5 passing to that B major, and then resolve to the E.